Alright, today we're going to be doing a beer tasting. We've got three different lagers lined up. Two are from Czech Republic, one is from Croatia, and I've tried these two before, and I wanted to compare it to this new beer that I haven't tried yet. So we got Czechvar, Kozel, and of course Karlovačo, not sure how you pronounce that. Normally I like to do a comparison with all three being in the same type of container. Mostly because here in Canada, sometimes clear bottles can get a little skunky by the time they reach Canada, and you don't know how long they've been sitting on the shelf. But I do know for a fact that this is fresh because it came right off the truck, right into the store that I purchased it from, and it was still in the crates. And when I helped myself, so I know it's about as fresh as we can get here. So it should be a pretty good comparison. I'm using three different types of glasses. We've got your standard pint glass, a Stein, and then of course the sometimes a little bit more common of a pint in European areas, just to try to see if it changes the flavor at all of any of them. So let's start off with the lager here from of course this is from Croatia. Now, before you critique me and my pouring techniques, I am not an expert at, I'm not a bartender, I'm just a casual amateur, what do you call it, beer enthusiast. I've heard different things about pouring. Some say not to get a head on it, some say to get a head on it, because the head prevents you from getting all that carbonation and everything in your stomach. So I've tried it all sorts of different ways. So first we're going to start with okay. Now we're going to do a Kozel. And the Czechvar. Well, let's try and mix it up a little and see. Right now I'm tempted to put it in the order that you see it here. This one just has a little bit more of a bitter taste to it. We're gonna go through this again. I'm gonna switch up the glasses and see if that makes any difference in my order.